In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online by doing this from home, even on your smartphone, where you just have to read and explain a book. It's the easiest way you can do it for free, and it will earn you money, and I'm not kidding, up to $500 a day. That's right, $500 a day, just reading an ebook, and reading it sounds crazy. So I will tell you what the job is, what tools and skills are needed, how you can apply, and how much they are paid. Well, guys, so what's the point? So the kind of job I'm going to show you today is called the ebook narrator, where I mentioned earlier, you read and describe the books in a way that people can easily understand and absorb as much as possible, and also that they can be turned into books. So if you love reading, or maybe it's just a hobby, this is a great opportunity for you to make money doing what you love. So this emerging platform we've heard of is a relatively new audiobook platform where you can apply as one of the ebook narrators. And you can see them on their website, wehear.com. So they have a lot of books that you can turn into audio boxes with genres like fiction, romance, fantasy, mystery, horror, and more. So here is a book for everyone who decides to join me. Again, all you have to do is read books at home, and then you get paid to read those books. Now let's talk about what you need to do to join the platform. Considering that this job is a remote online job, one of the most important things you have is an internet connection. We need this internet connection so that we can connect to tasks such as downloading listening content, and most importantly, so that you can upload your prepared audio recordings to our listeners. The next all you need is your device, which can be either. You can also use a desktop computer or your smartphone as long as the recording quality is good and crisp and you are able to record your voice very clearly. The next one will be sound editing software. Now I would suggest that you also have a computer so that it is easy to edit your audio. But this is not entirely necessary, as you can edit your audio using the free audio editing apps available online. You will need this app to tell you that you want to cut a piece of audio that you want to delete, and especially so that you can combine your audio tapes into one file, because that's what they need from us. If you are on a desktop, we need a good quality microphone. You do not have to have an expensive studio quality microphone, as this microphone can be up to $100, which can report the standard audio that we need. Of course, we want to provide a high quality audio file that we listen to so you can find more opportunities and projects. Think of the microphone as an investment, because you can use the same microphone over and over again on different projects we listen to, and so you can make more money on me here. Although optional, I would advise you to wear earphones or headphones. This is so that you can better hear yourself during and after recording your shots. It is also very helpful for editing your audio, as you can listen to your latest audio tapes using it much better than using a speaker. Now for the skills you need. And of course, it would be great if you have love and passion, and besides reading books, it is also important that your voice is clear while narrating. We should avoid muttering as much as possible. Every word you say should be pronounced correctly, and your tone should be as neutral as possible. And the last condition is that you must be able to meet the deadline on time. That's basically it. They do not require you to have any experience, so it is good if you are just a beginner looking for a chance to earn money online. You should also have a bank account, as this will be the way they will pay you, and don't worry if you think we are only available here in a few countries. We are available here all over the world, so you guys can join from anywhere. Now that you know how it works and what you need to know about how we can apply for a hearing based on their website, first, you need to send a CV and a voice demo. So basically, you have to prepare a resume containing your necessary information like name, contact, educational background, skills, strengths, etc. And once you have it all, you have to do is send an email so we can hear the voices on fm.com, and make sure to put an ebook router in the subject of the email. They will then respond with an interesting forum where you can share your reading preferences and rate each full hour of work. So you fill out this form, and then you have to choose a book that you want. And as I said, the genres of books you can choose from are fiction, horror, romance, mystery, and more. Once you have chosen your book, you will actually have to go to the audition to describe the book you have chosen. At the audition, they will hear your voice in a live video call, and they will check your sound quality, timbre, and tone, and check to see if it sounds like the book you have chosen. Once you have successfully passed the interview and audition, you will be brought in to sign the contract. With the signing of the agreement, they will give you a one-time schedule of when the ebook should end. All deliverables that you must meet, and the agreement will contain the agreement and expectations of you and the client. This is also the part where they will discuss your rates and how much they will pay you. Once you hire, you will send them a 15-minute sample of the recording of the book you are working on. This is so that they can see if you are on the right track or what mood or accent you should give based on the given book. They will check how to edit this audio. They will check if there is a break in the clips, and whether the speed of the statement is right, because these things are important in listening to the IBA. This is good for you because in this way you can be critical of your work and you can know that there are things that need to be polished, some things that should be the same, and things that need to be brought down. Required. It will also be good for the client to adjust their needs so that they know what to expect from you as a narrator. Now you've spent days recording, editing, and mastering your ebook. Now that you're done, all you have to do is make sure to send them the complete final compiled audio file of the ebook with editing and refining. The client will then review it and see if it is in line with what she expects from you. Okay, so send them your ready-made ebook and they really like it. How much will you charge them for the work you have done? Well, you actually have to pay what you think your work is worth. You should not sell yourself short. Our reasonable rate for an ebook narrator is around $80 to $200 for every hour of audio that your full ebook has. Clients will pay you 25% of the total price you paid them in advance or as a per deposit. Assuming you charge $100 per hour for an ebook contributor, what could you do to say a 5-hour statement that is $500 per ebook? Crazy, right? It's actually a lot of money to do something as simple as reading, and that's why I think this is a great opportunity for people just for beginners to make money online. Because you don't need any prior experience or any college-level fancy skills for this. All you need is your voice and some effort, and you can also earn a lot of cash and a flash. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Break the like button and I'll see you in the next video.